Martin Fitzwater shocks the world. The beast that no one saw coming at Mr. Olympia 2025. The bodybuilding world just witnessed something unbelievable. Martin Fitzwater, the name that once flew under the radar, has now set the stage on fire at Mr. Olympia 2025. From a dark horse to a powerhouse, Martin's transformation is nothing short of jaw-dropping. The audience couldn't believe their eyes as this mass monster walked out with a physique carved like stone, razor-sharp conditioning, monstrous fullness, and next-level symmetry that screamed domination. Nobody expected the machine to rise like this. But Martin didn't just show up, he annihilated expectations. His energy, stage presence, and posing routine had the crowd roaring louder than ever. Every pose hit like a thunderclap. Every flex showcased months of pain, hunger, and unstoppable focus. This wasn't luck. This was the result of pure obsession and relentless grind. What's truly shocking is how Martin outshined some of the biggest names, holding his own against titans like Samson Dauda, Derek Lunsford, and Hadi Choopan. Judges were left stunned. As his conditioning and proportion put him right into the elite conversation, the man once called an underdog just rewrote his legacy on the grandest stage of bodybuilding. Behind that monstrous physique lies a story of sacrifice and fire. Martin trained through injuries, pushed beyond limits, and stayed locked in when everyone doubted him. His back development, freaky and dense, his quads, pure granite, his upper body, wide, round, and aesthetic. It's as if he took every weakness and turned it into a weapon of destruction. Now, fans are calling him the next American Hope. The bodybuilding community is buzzing. Could Martin Fitzwater be the future Mr. Olympia champion? If this performance was any sign, then yes, the torch might just be passing sooner than anyone thought. Martin Fitzwater didn't just compete, he conquered hearts, shocked the stage, and proved that the underdog era is over. The beast has awakened, and the Olympia stage will never be the same again. This is the rise of Martin Fitzwater, the shocking new face of power, grit, and glory.